We live in a world where noise never stops. The endless scroll of social media, the constant ping of notifications, the chatter of news, opinions, and arguments flooding our minds every second. But here's the truth. In the middle of all this noise, there's something we're losing, something powerful, rare, and deeply human. That something is silence. And today, I want to show you why silence might be the most valuable skill you can master in the 21st century, and how it can transform your mind, your relationships, and your life. Section 1. The problem. Drowning in noise. Think about your day. From the moment you wake up, your mind is under attack. Before you even get out of bed, your phone is already calling your name. News headlines scream for your attention. Friends' updates, emails, alerts, all waiting to pull you in. We've trained ourselves to fill every gap, every pause, with something: music, podcasts, videos, endless scrolling. The result? We've forgotten what it feels like to just be. Scientists call this attention fatigue. Our brains are so overloaded with stimuli, we struggle to focus, think deeply, or even hear our own thoughts. And here's the dangerous part. When you can't hear yourself, you stop truly knowing yourself. Section 2. Ancient wisdom on silence. Silence isn't a new idea. It's ancient. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere you can go is more peaceful, more free of interruptions than your own soul." In Buddhism, silence is a pathway to mindfulness, a way of seeing reality without distortion. Christian monks took vows of silence, believing it opened the door to hearing God more clearly. Even in Taoism, silence is a way to align with the Tao, the natural flow of life. They all knew what we've forgotten. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. Section 3. The science behind silence. Modern science now backs this up. A 2013 study found that 2 minutes of complete silence were more calming than listening to relaxing music. Silence has been shown to grow new brain cells in the hippocampus, the part of the brain linked to memory, learning, and emotion. Psychologists say silence improves creativity, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. Think about it. When do your best ideas come? In the middle of a loud meeting, or when you're alone in the shower, walking, or lying awake at night? Silence clears the mental fog, giving your mind room to connects it couldn't see before. Section 4. The hidden benefits of silence. So, why is silence so powerful? Here are 3 life-changing benefits. 1. Clarity of thought. In silence, you hear what's really going on inside. You see your fears, desires, and goals without the static of other people's opinions. 2. Emotional healing. Silence allows you to process feelings you've been avoiding. Pain, joy, regret. They all rise to the surface, and only in silence can you truly face and heal them. 3. Deeper relationships. When you're comfortable with silence, you listen better. You stop planning your response and start truly hearing others. Some of the most intimate moments in life are shared in silence. Section 5. How to practice silence in a noisy world. Here's the challenge. How do we reclaim silence in a world that never shuts up? Aristotle said, "Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom." And the good news is, you don't have to disappear into the mountains to find it. Try these simple steps. Start with 5 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just sit, breathe, and notice your thoughts. Take a silent walk. No headphones, no talking. Listen to the world around you. Practice digital detox moments. Turn off notifications for a set time each day. Let your mind rest. Use silence in conversations. Instead of rushing to fill every pause, let the quiet deepen the connection. Silence isn't about cutting yourself off from the world. It's about connecting with it more deeply. Section 6. The deeper truth. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Silence isn't the absence of something, it's the presence of everything that truly matters. When you step into silence, you don't lose, you gain. You gain clarity. You gain peace. You gain the ability to live intentionally instead of just reacting to the noise. In a world screaming for your attention, silence is rebellion. It's power. It's freedom. So, here's my challenge to you. Today, find just 5 minutes of true silence. No screens, no sound, no distractions. And then, in the comments, tell me, what did you notice? If this video gave you a moment of peace in your day, share it with someone who's been feeling overwhelmed by the noise. And subscribe for more timeless wisdom to help you live better in today's world. Because the world will always be noisy, but you can always choose silence.